What's up guys, let's check out the feature called Dictate in MS Word 2019 or 365. 365 always has the latest versions. So this is a voice to text feature. Let's click the drop down menu and it shows the different languages that it can convert your voice to text. I'm going to leave it at English United States. Please note that I'm from India, so if this works well for me, then it should work great for native speakers. So let's begin. You click on this icon, it gives you a ping sound and you start dictating, and once you click again it stops. So here we go. Before that, let me have image text so that I have something to read out. Okay. What is a blurb? Question mark. New line. A blurb is a short promotional piece accompanying a creative work. Full stop. It may be written by the author or publisher or quote praise from others. Full stop. Blurbs were originally printed on the back or rear dust jacket of a book, and are now found on home video cases, web portals, and news websites. Full stop. Okay guys, let's review this. So okay, it did well to read and convert question mark, so I'm happy about that. Here it reads blurb as blob. Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong. So what else? It has not identified full stop as punctuation, but it successfully did that for comma. That's weird. What else? Yeah, the issue with full stop again. And it did create a new line when I said new line, so that's something in handy. So yes, it is efficient. It got at least 85% of what I wanted done, but there are a few limitations. And let me tell you that I have started using this feature recently, and it has helped me save time quite considerably, in fact. So hope this helps you guys, but before you log off the video, let me show you a similar feature. Contrary, not similar, it's under review tab. It's called read aloud. I know what you guys are thinking. Read aloud has been with Word for quite long, since 2013 I believe, but Microsoft has claimed that it has enhanced this feature. So this is a review feature. You select your text, you click read aloud, and the system reads it out to you for you to review and perform proofing on the content that you have written. So here we go.
What is a blurb? A blob is a short promotional piece accompanying of creative work. Full stop. It may be returned by the author or public.
Okay, I think I checked it enough. Let me tell you, by the modulation of it, I see no difference from what this feature did in the previous versions, but yeah, you can use it for review purposes. So that's all about Dictate. Hope Dictate saves your time too, and do subscribe to the channel if you want these quick tips, tricks and hacks pertaining to technical authoring, and give a like or dislike and share this video if you think it's worth for somebody else. And thank you for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.